Do you hear constant ringing in your ears? Try these 3 quick relief tricks you can do at home. First, try deep breathing. Just 5 minutes of calm breathing can relax your body and reduce ear pressure. Second, avoid caffeine and alcohol at night. They can make tinnitus symptoms worse and disturb your sleep. And third, use white noise. Sounds like rain, ocean waves, or even a fan can mask the ringing and help you sleep peacefully. These quick fixes can help, but if you want lasting support, check out the best tinnitus supplement in my full video.